Today, we are taking a closer look at a claim that has circulated for many years, suggesting that Pakistan fights wars primarily for financial gain or dollars. However, when we examine official records from the United States Congress and USAID, a very different picture appears regarding international aid. From 1946 to 2024, the largest recipients of United States assistance include Israel with about $310 billion, Egypt with around $170 billion, and Afghanistan with nearly $160 billion. Other major recipients include South Korea, Iraq, Ukraine, Jordan, and Turkey. Notably, Pakistan does not appear in the top 10 list of these significant aid recipients. Even during the War on Terror, Afghanistan received far more financial assistance than Pakistan. According to SIGAR, Afghanistan received roughly $145 to $160 billion between 2002 and 2021. In contrast, Pakistan received about $34 billion during the same period, which is several times less, highlighting a substantial disparity in aid. Despite this, Pakistan bore heavy costs while confronting terrorism. More than 80,000 lives were tragically lost, including thousands of security personnel. The economic impact is estimated at around $130 billion, and the country hosted millions of Afghan refugees for decades, incurring immense social and financial burdens. These sacrifices were made for national security and regional stability, not in pursuit of money. Pakistan also made several major decisions independently, including military operations and administrative reforms, regardless of external pressure or assistance. So, when someone repeats the idea that Pakistan acted only for dollars, it is worth revisiting these facts. The numbers and historical context show a very different and more complex story.